Congratulations on your recent Kuat product purchase. We are stoked you're part of the family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the assembly of your Pivot V2. A few things before you get started. Read the user guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. The instructions show assembly of the Pivot V2 passenger side swing. Assembly and installation steps for the driver's side are identical. Attach the toggle clamp post using the provided 8mm hex key, one M14x50 bolt, and one M14 lock washer. Using the 5mm hex key, attach the toggle clamp with 4 M8x12 bolts and 4 M8 lock washers. You can use a 13mm wrench to tighten or loosen nuts on the toggle clamp until snug. Slide Pivot V2 into hitch and align the hitch pin holes. Insert hitch pin and secure the hitch lock. Fully tighten flat lock hitch cam using the provided 8mm hex key. Slide accessory rack into the Pivot V2 and align the hitch pin holes. Secure accessory rack using hitch pin. Tighten the hitch cam on the accessory rack. Before driving, ensure Pivot V2 swing arm is fully closed. Toggle clamp is secured to the clamp post and in the closed position. Push down on the toggle clamp to release swing arm from toggle clamp post. Pull safety lever to release and articulate swing arm. Pivot the swing arm out to 90 degrees. Pull lever again to pivot the swing arm further to 120 degrees. Or release and close. If you have any questions while assembling this product, reach out to our customer service team at info@kuat.com and be sure to register your product using the information provided in your box. Don't forget, this product is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.